How to add open to work on LinkedIn. So if you want to add open to work on LinkedIn, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, if you have the LinkedIn application, you can open the application, or you can also just simply go with your browser. So on your browser, you need to search for LinkedIn. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Now from your account, you need to go with profile, which is on the top right, and tap on view profile, which will take you to the profile section. Now once you're on your profile, here you will have open to option, right? So tap on open to, and then you can go with finding a new job, or finding new internal roles, or hiring, providing paid services, or finding volunteer opportunities. So you can simply select any option that you're comfortable with. So I'll go with the first one, which is finding a new job, and here it will ask you to enter some kind of information. So enter all of the information. After entering the information, you can go with save, which is on the bottom right. That's how you can add open to work. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.